Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Again, our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us from Topeka. It's a bit of a drive down here, so thanks for coming down and spending some time with us. Had some great recipes this month, and you also have that new book that we want to mention real quick because that's
right.
important. That's very special. It's very cool.
It is, and I'm sure throughout the coming months we'll be doing other recipes featured in it. But be sure that you order it. Call our 800 number and ask for the Soy Foods Guide because it's 30-some pages. And it's 4-color with recipes and lots of the new health information. I thought we'd end this month by doing a dessert. How about that?
That sounds great. You can't go wrong with dessert anytime.
We've tried to use a variety of soy ingredients because it's National Soy Foods Month.
Right.
So in here I have 2 packages of soy cream cheese. And you know, a lot of times people think of using soy as an alternative if they are allergic to an ingredient.
Okay.
So if you have a lactose problem, you can use soy because that will benefit you. So I have 2 8-ounce packages of soy cream cheese.
Okay.
You're going to add a half a cup of sugar that I'm going to add in there, give it a little bit of sweetness in there. And I'm going to start mixing that up.
Okay.
And then to that, you're going to add, we've got 2 eggs. And just to make it easier to mix them, and you could do this with a mixer to an electric mixer. We'll add 1 egg at a time and mix this together.
All right.
There we go.
First egg in there.
Yeah, get that in and we'll start mixing it. Great. And when I didn't say, but when you do your cream cheese, have it softened. Leave it out for just a little bit. It'll be a lot easier to mix when you're doing it. Okay, now go ahead and add that other egg there.
Okay.
Great.
1 more egg coming in.
Yeah, great. Get that all mixed up. And then you have some lemon zest that I did. Oh gosh, this has wonderful flavor in it, and you can go ahead and add that to it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh boy, that just about came all right
well,
out there.
Great.
There we go.
Making it easy for you. Okay, we'll add that there. And then you have some soy sour cream. So we have several soy ingredients in this recipe. Great. And you can go ahead and add that.
Okay, now this isn't just going to come right on out of there. There we go. All right.
Perfect. And then our last ingredient there that you're going to add is freshly squeezed lemon juice. And that, by squeezing it yourself, you're just getting all that great flavor.
Okay.
So go ahead and add that.
All right.
And we'll mix that together. So I've done this with just a spoon, but you could use your electric mixer. Just mix it really good. And then what we're going to do after that's mixed really good is that we have our 8x8 baking dish here. And I have our graham crackers in there with some margarine that was melted and some sugar. And we mixed that all together and then just pressed it in there. We didn't bake it ahead of time or anything. We will pour this mixture into there and then bake it. And it's going to bake at about 325 again for about 40 to 50 minutes. Just till the center is almost set. And then you can see how we're serving it over here. It has a little bit of strawberry jam. I put it in the microwave just to thin it out a little bit. Okay. And then drizzle that on it, add a fresh strawberry and a little bit of a lemon twist.
I know you've got yourself an amazing dessert to go with all the other amazing things we've made this month. So
that's right.
Excellent. And as we've mentioned before, if folks want the new book, if they want this recipe or any of the others, what do they need to do?
They should call our 800 number, 877-KS-Soybean, or you can go on our website at kansassoybeans.org. We have all the recipes that we've done for April. There's also a message center, so you could put your information in there and ask to have it mailed to you, but you sure want to get that booklet this month.
You certainly do, absolutely. Well, Charlene, thanks again so much for spending time with us, and we will be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.